Okay, this is Manny. We are under the gigantic cloud and it's raining like very hard. So if my camera goes out, oh gosh, I'm gonna run. Oh.
Manny, you got this?
Okay. Oh gosh, my camera's making everything brighter, but we are under the. Oh my gosh.
You got it?
Got what?
Oh, hold on.
It's like typhoon weather. I don't know if you can see it, but oh, we got rain everywhere. Yeah, we got some nice ice. Woo!
That's the Lord. Hope that bird is Rick said them is already hatching that thing. It's burning. Yeah, I got one at the office in the corner.
Oh, we got some. Ooh!
Whoa!
You're getting drenched. The wind's picking up. Woo!
Oh my God. That's the Lord. Y'all I was mad.
He mad at us for something. I don't know if you guys can see how much devastation. I'm wet. I ain't coming in.
And you make good picture for Terry.
Pictures. Woo, got some mist. Oh yeah, it's time to come in.
Come in there. Come out that corner.
Come on in, lady.
Come out that corner.
Huh? You ain't gonna come with.
Come on in. It'll be alright.
I make something off of.
Come on in here out that corner. Come on over and sit down with me and smoke a cigarette.
I'm leaving.
You can't watch nothing. You can't do nothing to the Lord. Let the Lord do his work.
It'll pass.
It's okay. But it's right behind.
Taking some stuff with it.
Yeah. Maybe make a good video for Brinkley. That's where you shit.
I can barely see anything. Oh. Oh. Is that a car?
What?
I'm joking with your mom.
Damn it, don't say it like this. How the birds doing? They barely hanging on. They all right. They know what the Lord doing. That bird ain't worried.
Oh yeah. That basket still.
It's good. It's gonna close his eyes and let. Got some muddy water.
Yeah, that muddy.
That's that
Muddy
blood.
water.
That's how it be in the swimming.
This is insane.
That dog on the porch? No, Jessica, Jaden not home. Jaden's just support. Thomas still out there. Her son. Thomas gonna violate the plant. They probably made them come back home. Come into the plant. Come back to the service before they just can't leave. Do we got a cell phone? Yeah, but he don't answer either. I already called. Oh, the tower might be messed up. It took me a long time to get in touch with my brother-in-law. And he finally called me back. He said it's messed up. A lot of stuff messed up there in North Jersey. Memphis took the hardest hit. Manny, for heaven cry out loud. I know it. I said, what in the world? Ooh, I want real camera. Show Ricky that last one. You still got it on there?
Which one?
In slower motion, that lightning. Do you still got it on
I got it on my laptop. I don't want to.
You need to send all that stuff to the news people. They want people to send it in.
Oh, he made a good one too. He had it right on the top when he came in zigzag, you know, and then he showed me in slower motion. I mean,
How the Lord made it come out the sky.
Came sideways.
But man, you know this is part of the book of Revelation.
Uh-oh. I'm waiting for the fire to
No,
rain
now
down.
ain't at that time yet.
Yeah, we got earthquakes.
Here.
exactly.
We got earthquakes.
Yeah.
Donald
There's a menthol marker.
Donald Trump, Antichrist.
Man, he's so crazy. And you know what? What I saw on the internet this morning, they don't put up
Whoa.
hell.
That's tree. Hell. Whoa, snowballs. Oh goodness. Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
We're getting snowballs. Oh. Oh gosh.
Oh my God,
I
Dad.
wish I would have put my car
Oh,
in the
God.
garage.
Oh God, I'm gonna go to
See that tree right there? Please don't let that tree fall.
Oh my goodness, windshield.
Whoa.
They can hit a windshield with no problem.
Yeah.
Man,
No
you,
baseball size.
Yeah.
Not baseball. Them look like
man, you got them?
Yeah, I'm getting this. This is wow.
Let me get my cap. I want this.
Book of Revelation.
Oh God, man.
I think God's trying to get rid of the ignorant people. Hitting them.
What you say, man?
I think God's trying to get rid of the ignorant people.
That's what I said too. The non-believers.
The non-believers.
You posted
I found a new friend today.
Ah, you been my friend.
Really, all the cars okay? Or you see any broken windshield?
I see no broken windshields.
I want to get some pictures of that hair.
I'll go get one real quick.
No,
Okay, not
that wind blowing too hard. They don't pick you up and slung you somewhere. Polo bird in the tree.
What bird?
Huh?
I'm trying to see that. I see that tree.
Which one?
You showed me now.
Keep the window open a little bit so we get some sound.
Yeah.
He's still up here.
Thick. No.
They said it was gonna be about 60 to 70 miles an hour.
60 to 70? Oh, wow. That'd make some good footage being taken up a little.
I ain't seen no hell like that in a long time.
Me either. We can see.
Maybe did you got some good pictures?
I'm not getting pictures, I'm filming.
Probably no hell in that.
You looking for me?
Hey, Ronnie.
Oh, come on, sweetie.
Ain't nobody helping. I got ski.
This is a movie right here. We got more people.
Oh, no, people put everybody in the camera, man.
Ronnie, I've been sitting here and praying.
Oh,
Doomsday.
God, mercy, Jesus.
Johnny, sit on down to you.
You're in that hell hitting the roof.
Man.
And them trees on y'all side.
Did you thought they coming through your roof?
I thought that was a tree
I thought the
crackling.
storm, I thought that it was here.
They said another one is coming, just coming through, finna come through Brownsville, then through Birmingham and up through. Yeah. It's coming. He smelled that chick.
Ooh, Lord have mercy.
Ronnie, I'm scared just like you with
I
this
thought it was a
cake.
tree at first, you know, cracking,
Yeah.
popping and twisting.
Lord have mercy, Jesus.
That's the man to call.
Please, Lord, be with us.
Yeah.
Please be with us.
I went to Bible study today and we talked about the book of John.
That was bad.
Ronnie,
Huh?
you think we're holding up?
Man, Lord be with us.
See
I ain't never been that scared. Never.